am so in love right now with my true self. I am gentle with myself. I am honored to have so many friends in my life. I let my love for myself increase each day. Today, I start loving myself more. All my dreams are destined to come true. I deserve a loving, supportive partner. I am always safe and protected. I choose today to begin to materialize my dream. I give myself permission to be relaxed and happy. I spread joy with every step I take on my journey. With every breath, I become more peaceful. It's okay to live my dream. I am worthy of love and respect. I have persistence in what I believe in. I find deep inner peace within myself as I am.